How to fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Facebook Marketplace icon missing on Facebook. Now if you open up Facebook, I'll just open up my Facebook here. Now at the top menu or at the bottom menu, if you are on iPhone, you'll be able to get the Marketplace menu as well. You can see there the Reels icon, you can see the Friends icon, you can see the Profile icon, you can see the Notifications icon, and you can see the three horizontal line icon. Now in case you don't find the Marketplace icon that you can see here on the screen is missing, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon and then tap on the settings option. You want to head into settings, right? Under settings, you want to head into preferences option. Under preferences, you want to head into navigation bar. Now here you want to tap on customize the bar option. Once you tap on customize the bar, you can see you'll be headed into shortcuts bar. Now you can see friend request is pinned and other are set to auto, but here you can see my Marketplace is hidden. So basically if your Facebook Marketplace icon is missing, it's because it's hidden or it's set to auto. So what you want to do is you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you can tap on the hidden section or the arrow icon that you'll see facing downwards along with the Marketplace and other options here. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can simply tap on pin option and it'll be pinned to the top. Now if I head back and here, if I reload this, I'll just open up Facebook again, just close it and open it up. You can see here now the Marketplace is back here. So this way you can fix Facebook Marketplace missing. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.